welcome back to Ariella Amor. So first things first, let's get into making my belly cast. So I got the belly cast off Amazon. I got all the supplies off Amazon as well, and I will post those in the link below. Everything you'll need. So first and foremost, my middle name is Ariel. Therefore, I named my daughter Ariella. I thought it was just a beautiful name, and I got inspired, obviously, by being named after the Little Mermaid myself to do a Little Mermaid theme for her belly cast. So I went online, I found just a few images that I thought were cool, and I put everything together just by composing different images and putting it all onto the belly cast itself. I started off with the seahorse, super cute. I went ahead and I found a font that I loved on Amazon as well, and I wrote out her name, Ariella, with the heart on the side. I found the treasure box and just everything themed Little Mermaid under the sea that I could think of, get inspired by. And I pretty much just I drew it out, as you can see on the notebook beside me. And then I went ahead and I just drew it out basically on the belly cast. Of course, I started off, as you can see, in pencil because I'm a stickler for just not messing up and things of that nature. So I had my pencil sharpener, I had my eraser on hand, whatever I needed before I actually started the painting process. So this is me just drawing everything out. Okay, so this was the font that I was talking about. I found the font online. I literally just typed in fonts and then I typed in her name and they gave me so many creative ideas. So I just used the one that I liked the most. I incorporated the heart on the side, as you can see. And then I also thought just the icing on the cake to top it off would be just to incorporate some flowers as well. I thought it would just be a beautiful concept for my beautiful child on the way. And it came together so vibrant and well. I wanted to choose colors specifically that would make the heart pop. So that's why I had the yellow just to contrast the purple that I put inside of the heart. And I thought everything just came together so beautifully. I love it. All right, so looking this up, of course, you gotta have the castle. If you're doing the under the sea, if you're doing Little Mermaid, you just gotta go with that concept. So this castle, I found it online. I looked at it. I drew it out on the belly cast. It came out so literally perfect. It came out so gorgeous. I just needed it. I couldn't just have the fish and the seahorse and everything else. I needed the castle. Yes. Okay, so what you'll see from most of my drawings is that I like to outline them in black because, in my opinion, it just makes it pop so much more. So whatever theme that you go with, I suggest that you outline your drawings basically with black paint before you get into really full on painting them like I did here basically. And then plus the background, I think it's just going to make it pop so much more from whatever background color you have. And you'll see that I chose a nice ocean type mixture of blues is what I did. Okay, so aside from my castle, I had to have a treasure box, and I love how it came out. It came out so perfectly. I love it. Okay, so I think right here you can see what I'm saying about having that black outline on everything, making everything pop. Okay, so the chest area was so hard, I promise you, but it came out exactly how I wanted. It just took some time. It took some work, basically to get those lines straight, for me to go ahead and just paint the breast area, let it dry, be able to put the lines on after. It took some patience. It took some time. This also took some patience and some time. Getting that background blue ocean color, making sure I did not mess up the rest of my drawings and my paintings that were on there as well. So what I had to do was just like give myself space. I used a small brush, as you can see, but I also gave myself space. I wasn't making it all nice and tight and perfect. You can see the white outlines around everything, and I did that on purpose so I can go back in and then just get that like really colored in. As you can see right here, this was it before I put like that matte finish on there. You can see the gloss that I used as well in the background, and it came out like this. I love it. As usual, thank you for watching. Ariella Amor.